Hi guys, we're back. So here my friend Jonathan, like he said last time, was gonna fly his bug, the more experienced one. We're just gonna show you if you'd like to buy it. Like, yeah, right there. It's pretty cool. I would never buy one though, because I'm not such an experienced flyer. Like we said, we flied the Falcon before. Yeah, so yeah, hope you enjoy this. Yes. So yeah, it's much silence. You know, it flies it. It's very hard, trust me. Like he flies it, it looks very easy, but trust me, very hard helicopter. See, it's very, very hard, but you still got the control. So yeah, if you guys are very experienced, yeah, you should get it. So plus when you're landing it, it'll never tip like mine did. It's on a square. And guys, I'm still learning how to fly it, so this thing does do flips. Yeah. Mine doesn't, because mine's just a starter. Yeah, so this does do flips. It's just, I can't do it, I could do it in the, well, I can't do it in the air because I'm not experienced yet, but if you guys want, I can show you one right off the ground. Plus there's a big difference in my control and his. Mine is, see, it's only analog is up, then this one, no, this one up, this one around, and then there's so many buttons and stuff, I would never be able to control that. Okay, I'm gonna be doing, trying to show you guys a flip.
And I will do this flip.
Oh, and he landed it! Come on, a couple of applause for that. Thank you guys, see ya, and to the grand finale. Peace out.